Good morning everyone. This is Team 6 and we are team Gautam, Nagaraju, Manvita, myself, Tejasvi and Vishal. Our project is RoverX.
The problem statement for the RoverX is we are designing a rover which can travel in any critical path conditions and approaches prioritize reliability, robustness and efficiency. We are using advanced technologies and different testing methodologies. It is cost-effective design which can overcome the challenges and it can travel in any other environmental conditions. And existing solutions are NASA Mars rovers, JPL's Robo Simon and Boston Dynamics Spot rover. The gaps in existing solutions are the power management. It consumes more power and the cost. It also cost-effective innovation. When the performance increases, the cost also increases. So we need to balance the cost and the performance. My teammate will continue.
Go.
Proposed solution. Designing a rover for critical path operation necessitates a comprehensive approach that reliability, robustness, efficiency, advanced technologies, and rigorous testing methodologies, cost-effective design strategies. By integration, these solutions, a reliable rover optimized for critical path operations can be developed, demonstrating unwavering dependability, resilience in navigation, efficient power management, and stable communication, advanced autonomy, versatile payload instrumentation, and durability, cost-effectiveness, and optimal size and weight characteristics. And components required for RoverX: hardware components, Arduino Uno, wheels, jumper wires, and TT gear motors, normal wires, L298D, motor shield, LED lights, and lithium-ion batteries, HC05 Bluetooth sensors. Software components: using Arduino Uno software, implement motor control algorithms to drive the rover forward, backward, and turn left or right. Develop sensor integration code to read data from the sensors and react accordingly. For example, to stop the rover when an obstacle is detected. Create routines for communication with external devices or controllers, such as receiving commands wirelessly or transmitting sensor data. Next, we'll continue my friend.
Next we have to write the Arduino sketch. We should define all the commands like front, back, and left, right, left turn, right turn, and stop. Next we have to connect the Bluetooth via mobile. Then next we have to implement the PWM pulse width modulation for speed control. Next, adjust the motor speed according to it. Next we have to give commands to the Arduino. Then the working starts. So as my friend said the components, now I am going to explain the working model. So as you can see here, there is a Bluetooth module and the Arduino is connected to it. And the four wheels, the four motors are connected to the motor shield. As the motor shield is given with a voltage of 12 volts, the 12 volt battery. So Arduino is connected with an extra supply of another battery. So here we connected the lights which indicates the headlights, and we operate it with the mobile app which is known as Arduino.
Go.
So if you can see here, there is an ultrasonic sensor which we place to the Arduino, and the Bluetooth can be connected to the mobile app which is known as RC Bluetooth controller. So using the mobile, we will operate many functions like moving forward, backward, right, left, etc., like on the lights or stopping the vehicle. So as my friend said the components, now I am going to explain the working model. So as you can see here, there is a Bluetooth module and the Arduino is connected to it. And the four wheels, the four motors are connected to the motor shield. 12 volt battery. So Arduino is connected with an extra supply of another battery. So if you can see here, there is an ultrasonic sensor which we place to the Arduino, and the Bluetooth can be connected to the mobile app which is known as RC Bluetooth controller. So using the mobile, we will operate many functions like moving forward, backward, right, left, etc., like on the light.
Discuss advantages and disadvantages of this project. So advantages are the system provides many benefits like security, energy efficiency and control. This project aims to build a design Bluetooth control robot car that can be controlled from laptop or mobile. The benefit of using this control car can reduce manual work. The disadvantages are we have to identify the sensor type, and we have to establish reference value and refer to the data sheet. Thank you.
So here I am giving the F command and the vehicle will be moving forward, and I am here giving the O command so that the lights can be glowing here. So if you can see, there is a motor shield receiving the power supply of 12 volt and Arduino which is connected to the battery for external power supply.